Hi, everybody. This is Silvio Canto in Dallas, Texas on Wednesday, June the 13th, and welcome to our video commentary. You know, I have a post over at the American Thinker today. I'm going to ask you to check it out. I have it in my blog as well as Twitter about Venezuela, where I asked the question, how much longer before we actually call Venezuela a failed state? The country is failing politically, it's failing economically, and now we're seeing that it's failing in some of the most basic things of healthcare. In Venezuela, they've discovered polio again. After 30 years of no polio, all of a sudden they discovered a boy who is being afflicted by polio. Now, I'm not a medical expert, but I do know from my reading of modern history that most countries have been able to deal with that in large part because of preventive measures, immunizations, and so on, that they do with people when they're kids, and that way you prevent an outbreak of polio. In most countries, as I say, polio is a very rare thing, but yet it shows up in Venezuela. And then when you listen to the experts down there, when you talk to people down there, they're telling you that medicine is impossible. There's no supplies, medical supplies. Doctors cannot operate. Some hospitals don't even have the basic equipment running. And what you have is a failure, a total, complete failure of a society. And unfortunately, this failure is not just restricted to Venezuela in the sense that what is happening in Venezuela can grow into other countries. As you know, there are many people from Venezuela crossing into Colombia. There's many people from Venezuela crossing into Brazil. So you have the specter of this healthcare crisis perhaps expanding to other countries. So I think it's time. I think it's time for the world, for the OAS, and for Latin America, the United States, everybody to declare Venezuela a humanitarian crisis, a failed state, and to demand from the Maduro government solutions to these problems, or the Maduro government needs to be replaced because it's not working. Venezuela is not working. Venezuela is a failed state. There's really nothing else you can say about it. We have all of these videos over on YouTube. We have them on Twitter, and we have them on my blog. And if you have a birthday on June 13th, happy birthday, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.